This video shows how to use voice notes in Read and Write for Google Chrome. The voice notes tool allows you to insert voice recordings into your document as a comment. Click wherever you want to insert the comment and click the voice note button. You can record up to 1 minute of audio. Great work. Can you add more detail to your introduction? You can then listen to your recording, make a new one, or insert it into your document. To listen to the voice note, hover over the new comment and click the play button. Great work. Can you add more detail to your introduction? If you've shared your document with other users, they'll be able to listen to your comment as well. You can also use voice notes in Google Slides to add recordings to images, text boxes, or other objects. Great white sharks have approximately 500 teeth. Great white sharks have approximately 500 teeth. Voice notes is a great way for teachers to leave personalized feedback or for students to record responses. All your voice note audio files will be stored in a folder in your Google Drive. To learn more about Read and Write, visit texthelp.com.